Yeah, no stopping. There was a car coming too.
The whole system needs an overhaul. If you haven't guessed it, I live in Los Angeles. I've never experienced
red light run, red light run, red light run.
Small town.
I know technically you can turn left on red over there, but you didn't really stop first before turning. No stop. No stop.
And so, on that very day, Noah and his son Shem Hamajek, together with his wife and the wives of his 3 sons, went in the earth.
And you gotta get all that snow off your freaking roof and hood and all that stuff.
Atheist. The second you believe, couldn't it be the same thing? You just don't have the guts to just
no stop.
Man, life is generally really good, and except for this whole.
Well, I signed this up. You signed us up for what? For yoga. There's a class.
Is there a reason why we're not using the sidewalk? It's like, do we have to walk in the middle of the street? Is that what they teach you at Cornell, at this Ivy League school that I keep hearing about? I don't know.
A review in your brain for just a second before we do anything else. Well, that was kind of nice.
What the guy was ready to go anyways. That was stupid.
Light stretches. Put your arms back over your head and then reach them.
And we're not stopping for the pedestrian.
Breathe. Man, that was actually really torsionists who must do yoga every day. All right, let's just bend over and let's
don't turn on red
or touch our toes. I'm sorry. Do you want me to touch my toes?
No turn on red, maybe. This is still debatable if it's only for the left turns or for the right turns as well. I don't know.
Thank you for your time.
All right, I'll do my best with that. Thanks for calling.
Red light run, red light run, red light run.
One of the legend, in my opinion, me and many others' favorite.
Red light run, red light run, red light run. Wait, why am I going when it's still red? There it goes.
Latter are still advantaged by a system that perpetuates gender inequality, while men on the lower rungs of society face unique challenges.
Nice cutoff over there. Big red
truck. And I do think that one of the challenges, sense of self and our sense of family, our place in the world and in the workplace, amongst our peers.
I wonder what the stripy lines are for. I don't really know, but I think you can't really drive up the shoulder to make a right turn like that. I think you have to, wait for the light to turn green and then go. Just a thought.
You look insanely whack when just a fraction of my tracks run. My rhyming skills got
no stop, school bus! That's infinitely bad! And there were cars coming too.
Oh, I'm going to give you a great value to bet this guy has the MVP. Hey,
whoa, what are you doing in the middle of the intersection?
Look at
yeah, he's screwed up there. Big time.
The team that wins.
You gotta back up. Back up and shame yourself. Come on.
He had whatever was wrong, I don't know. People want to blame it.
No stop.
Taylor Swift and stuff.
How you doing? What the hell are you doing over? Why are you exit regretting? Whoa, what the fuck? That's like all-out SWAT team over there. Holy shit. I thought it was a car wreck, but no, it's something else.
Well, it's innovative class. She lifts and lowers her arm. The sunlight glints off the polished...
No, stop!
I expected it to feel heavy and close.
National championships. They were in the top 10 6 years in a row. They were a dominant,
back up a shame
during that time span.
Ain't no river wide enough to keep me from getting to you, babe. No, stop!
That's what, when that place is on, it's really a fun club, isn't it?
Love the Aha. It will actually be in North
No,
Albany.
stop, Nissan driver.
I believe next stop.
It's like you're flying a plane from the 1930s. But anyway, we got the Super Bowl coming up.
Red light run, red light run, red light run. I think that guy turned left turn. Well, the guy didn't stop either, so.
Which is the case in most places, they do the opposite.
No, stop!
Are going toward this approach that we should go with narrow lanes whenever
an artificial environment, but can grow in the nastiest conditions in the wild.
That's right.
That's so
nice cut off.
true.
In fact, I saw a crack in the pavement and mushrooms popping up through the crack in the pavement. So, yeah, we're not talking about truffles.
Yeah.
Oh,
But
jeez.
if mushrooms are
The road's over there.
Of course, they taste meaty.
Same with the Hobbit. This is over, folks. It's over. As we know it, it is over.
Wait, that's a asshole left.
And with it, what's over is this playoff surprised me by voting down playing 18. They grudgingly gave 17.
No, stop.
They have given 17 over 18 weeks. They will eventually give them.
On your campus are married. Right. Yeah. But also,
Nice cut off.
one of the things that they do to sort of get.
Double lines. You should have waited like 2 seconds. And it says 666 on your license plate. Get the devil. Go away.
Have depressed days where you don't feel like getting out of bed, you don't feel motivated.
No trailers in the left lane. No, no, no. You cannot be there if we're in Connecticut. No trailers in the left lane. No, no, no. You cannot be there if we happen to be in Connecticut, but we're not in Connecticut. I am so happy to not be there anymore. I am never going back there again. Plus, he just moved over just now, so he's okay, I guess. Well, this is the end of the video. I hope you like it. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more videos. Yay! All right, I'll see you next time. Okay, bye!